This is an overview and showcase of the HEDBOX Professional Dual Simultaneous UPS Battery Charger, or in other words the RP DC100. So let's just get into this. On this channel we do the technical side of media and animation, and sometimes that involves looking at what products to buy, so like and subscribe for more content like this. This is a HEDBOX V-mount battery charger, so let's just look at what's on the box. There's not much. UK plug included. V-mount, you can also get this in a gold mount. RP DC100 if you want to buy this yourself. Dual charge, so it has two ports on it. AC power, acts as a UPS, so if you suddenly need power you can put two batteries in it and it will act as a UPS for you. 2-year limited warranty. They even using recycled cardboard. So let's see what's in the box. Charger, power cable, user manual. Just a bunch of waffle on the back about what it can do. So let's just get into this. Okay, so let's see, what do we have? UK power kettle lead, 4-pin power cable, and then the actual device itself. So we have our user manual and then the main device itself. So here we are. Here is the device itself. So it's from HEDBOX. We have two V-mount battery plates on each side. On this side, it'll give you your power, charging indicators, battery indicators, and adapter UPS, and a DC out using that 4-pin cable. Then on this side, just gives you some information about it. Power switch at the bottom, and then your kettle lead. So what I'm going to be using this with is a D100V battery, a V-mount one. You can tell it's V-mount by the V on the back. So how this works, just get your charger, and you just slot it on like that, and then you should be able to charge your V-mount batteries. Now on here you can tell there's a battery on it because it gives you that light here. If you had a DC out, it would tell you that it's being used as a UPS, and if it was plugged in, it would tell you that it's charging. Now this battery is fairly heavy, so it is staying upright, but it is slightly leaning to one side. Future me here. So a few things to note. On the bottom of it, you see there's these metal feet that you can pull out. So if you're only using one battery, it makes it slightly more sturdy. This is less sturdy just because the cable's pulling on it, so just keep that in mind. It has a few different modes, so it says that if you insert one battery it'll charge only that to its fullest ability. If you insert two, it'll do dual mode. If the power suddenly gets pulled and you have one of the DC cables going out, you can power a separate device via that. It does have a fan in it, so just take a listen. So it isn't the quietest thing ever. At the same time, it's not terrible, so just keep that in mind. That's a quick overview of the HEDBOX RP DC100. There's not really much to say about it. It is just a battery charger, but I thought I'd do an overview just to show what you get. It seems pretty high quality. I've been pretty happy with the HEDBOX stuff in the past, so I can't really complain. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.